This is one of my favorite packages. It's completely functional. It is a metal package that holds an electrolyte, and this powers a whole lot of things. And to me, packaging is power, right? If you understand the language of packaging, you're able to take any product, put it in pretty much any substrate, and be able to send it anywhere in the world with a wonderful unboxing experience, as well as an economical delivery of the product. One of my other favorite packages is a shoebox. I cannot throw away a shoebox. I mean, it just holds anything you want. And what's really great about shoeboxes is that when you don't have shoes in them, you could just put all your batteries in here, and then when you fill it up, you've got a nice package to recycle all of those batteries. Everyone can relate to a shoebox, and what I think is that this summer, you should design your own shoebox. And that's what Package Design Camp is all about. It is creating your own package. If you have 6 hours this summer and you can spread that out, you're gonna learn everything about building your own package. You're gonna get into the weeds and understand substrates and understand what this material is and how to use it and how to control it and command it. You'll be able to design your own structure using really sophisticated software that's easy to use and really fun and working in 3D. That's not it. It won't just be the structural design and selecting the substrate. You're also going to design your own graphics. And don't worry, we've got tools that you're gonna be able to use to design it in 3D. And at the same time, you're gonna learn a bunch of design theories so then you can take your vision and get it right on this box. But there's some more. The best part about Pack Design Camp is that when you finish, you can send us your files and we will print your graphics on the substrate and then convert it into a shoebox and send it right to your door. And that's what you get to do in Pack Design Camp. Again, it's designed to do something over the summer. It's great for kids in high school, but it's also welcoming to anyone else who has graduated high school. There's no age limit whatsoever to attend. But at the end, you're gonna be able to design something like this from scratch just for you. So, hope to see you this summer.